Hi, I am Nur'iman Abdureshid. I'm currently living in the United States. I'm here for a testimony of for my missing family. My last telephone call was 20th June 2017. After 1 month, I've learned that my brother and my dad taken to the camps. They went to study. After I learned that nobody at home, that means my mom also taken to that camps. Here's my dad, Abdureshid, 54, and here's my mom, Tajigul Qadir, over 50, and here's my older brother, Ahmedjan Abdureshid, and here's the handsome guy, my younger brother, Muhammad Ali Abdureshid. China said they need a job, but my brother have 2 auto gallery and 1 auto spare parts shop. They don't need a job, and my mom, my dad, all they need is spending their time with their children and with their grandkids. And also the China put the old people like professors, doctors, actors, businessmen, put the camps. They said they need a job. Do you believe it? Also, you cross the line actually, China. And you separate all families. You torn us apart. And this is insane. In 2019, why we get through this kind of pain? And I can't call my mom. And I can hear my younger brothers, Acha, and that name is some world to me actually. Now I'm calling for all world leaders and activists take an action to stop this genocide. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your humanity. Thank you.